Hey everybody, so today's the day, and so I'm gonna get a sip here of my homemade ginger kombucha. Today's the day for the BOGO. I'm gonna try to get up close here so you can see me. It's so sunshiny out here in Laramie that it's hard for me to, it's like dark on the camera. So today, I mentioned yesterday that for the next few Tuesdays that are left in July, dōTERRA is announcing a different buy one get one free item for that day, a 24-hour only deal. And each Tuesday it's going to be different. Today actually happens to be a buy one get two free. So it's actually more than a BOGO. I'm not sure what you call that when you get a buy one get two free. So I'm going to share with you a little bit more about these and how you can use them in your home. I'll share with you a little bit of ways that how they work and how you can take advantage of these today. This is actually only available. Hey, Denise, good to see you. This is actually only available through 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening. So this is why you can get them while they last. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a little bit more about Frankincense Touch. All three of these, you can see these are in a roller bottle. You can see here where you take the top off and there's actually a little stainless steel roller bottle on them. All this is frankincense from the resins of frankincense, and it's combined with a carrier oil, which makes it more easily to be absorbed into the skin. So all three of these are great for topical use. So I'll show you how you can use these. And it makes them also very convenient on-the-go roller bottles. So here's a little bit about Frankincense Touch. So this is very easy, on-the-go, ready-to-made roller bottle. You can apply it. Think about this for all of your skin needs, okay? So this is one that you can actually, I like applying it even directly around the eyes area, maybe my more problematic areas, maybe even up here. Especially since I've entered into my 40s. Although my boys don't know that. They still think I'm 29 because that's what my sweet husband tells them. Or maybe even here. Any of kind of your skin needs. I notice a lot when I apply this to my skin because it really makes a difference in those fine lines and wrinkles and things like that. Not that you have any of those, just saying. For those of your friends who do, you can share this with them. You can share this video with them. But also, even for the littlest ones in your family. I started using these roller bottles like this even when the tiniest ones in my family were only about 6 months old. So you can use these especially for those with sensitive skin because it's combined with the coconut oil. It not only makes it easier to absorb in your skin, but also great for any kind of sensitive skin or those with kind of thin, frail skin. And the coconut oil actually is already very hydrating to the skin as well. So, hey, Bethany. Good to see you. So did you guys already I know these two that are on with me live have already have their dōTERRA account. So I'm curious, did you guys already get your BOGOs for today? All right, my ginger pieces are sticking through my kombucha here. Okay. So we're talking skin needs here from your frankincense, but also this has shown a lot of research. Frankincense is actually one of the most heavily researched oils. In fact, if you go to pubmed.gov, you can actually go on there, type in frankincense, and be wowed by how much you find out about frankincense and the research that's been done about it. So, but think about not only all of your skin needs and even unhealthy skin, but also if you need a little bit more calm focus in your life. And that's when you're going to put it right on the back of your neck. My oldest likes to do this, especially if he needs just that extra calm and focus. So think about maybe your kids in the summertime that maybe you need a little bit more calmed focus in the whole household. You could just rub this on the back of everyone's necks. But it's also great for immune support. So sometimes we'll even apply this all the way up the back of the neck, especially if somebody's fighting off something. But this show has shown a lot of research regarding benefits for the brain as well. And so think about this as you put it on the back of the neck. It can give some brain support and helpful for focus. Now, I have some boys over here who are being a little loud. So I need you guys to be a little quieter, okay? As I'm sharing with people about the BOGOs for today. Did you guys see what they are? So what you can get for free today, is a Breathe Touch Roller. My boys love this, but this is actually not a single oil. This is a blend of essential oils. So this is a blend of pieces of parts of plants, everything from eucalyptus to peppermint, melaleuca, lemon, cardamom. So blend of essential oils. Hey guys, can you be quiet, please? This is a blend of essential oils, easy on the go for when you need that bigger breath. Maybe if you're going to be out exercising in this, in a higher elevation like I'm in Laramie, Wyoming, or if you need some extra breath at the gym, or when you're needing a bigger breath from just some congestion needs. Or when you have a spouse, not that any of you have this or that I have this, but if you have a spouse that may be sawing logs at night and you need that to stop so that you can get a better night's sleep. This is when you can just discreetly apply this to the chest or maybe even to the feet to get that added support. If you have that extra stuffy nose, you can apply it right there. My kids know how to actually apply these now to their own selves. But any kind of those respiratory supportive needs, this is your go-to for that. And that way you can get back to breathing easy again. Okay. So lastly, what you also get for free is the digestive blend. So this is also a blend of essential oils, multiple seeds and spices, combined with the coconut oil that again makes it great for on the go and easy, convenient topical use. And so this one, you're going to use it every time. Actually, which one of you boys wants to show me how you use this for your tummy aches?
I'll do it.
So one of my boys is going to show you how do you apply the Digestin. Can you stand up so everybody can see how you apply it? Here, stand back there so everybody can see you. Let's see if everybody can see. How do you apply it?
On my tummy.
Yeah, can you show us how you put it? How you apply it? Yeah, right on there, just like that. And what does it do for you?
When I'm asleep, 2 seconds after
No, what
I
is
eat.
it? Can you help people know, somebody who's new to this? How would that help them?
Whenever your food doesn't digest.
Oh, whenever your food doesn't digest well. Yeah, so maybe if you've eaten something spicy or eaten too much or you're being a little queasiness, you can put it right there on the stomach and it can help you. It works really fast. Sometimes we even like to apply it right to the neck or chest area, especially if you've eaten something spicy and maybe that acid is coming back up a little bit. Or if you're in the bathroom and things are not flowing, or maybe they're flowing too much, you know, you have the extreme or the other, this can really help bring everything back into balance and you can get back to life again. Now, you can see how these are really, since they're on the go and really convenient to use, I actually keep these in my little convenient roller bag here that I add into my purse because you never know when we're gonna need these. So I actually keep them in here. So that I have them whenever we need them. Now, just so you know, so how you can get these today is those of you who are already members, you can go straight to your account, log in, and you're just going to add the frankincense touch. Make sure you're adding frankincense touch, not just the oil. Add that into your cart, into your loyalty rewards order. That way you get all of your shipping for free and you're getting points back on your account. And then what's going to happen is the Breathe and the Digestin are going to automatically populate into your cart. So it's just going to automatically be added. And you can get up to 5 of these in your account. So that's what we like to do. We like to stock up on them so that we have them throughout the year. And then if a friend of ours needs something like this, I feel much easier to part with them because I got them for free, right? Or a huge discount. So here's how you can take advantage of it. If you have membership, you can go right into your cart and do that. If you're new to doTERRA, whoever invited you to this video or whoever's sharing this video with them, reach out to them. Click the share button right now. If you have a friend or a family member that you know could really benefit from these, help them out. Friends don't let friends go without having these, having a great deal. So, but if someone invited you to watch this, reach out to them and they can help you get the BOGO for today, because again, this is only going to be available to the end of this evening. If you don't have somebody that you're already working with, or we invited you to this, then reach out to me. You can send a direct message to us and we'd be happy to help you get it. And then you can decide if you want to get them from the membership prices as well with a 25% discount. So hope you guys have enjoyed this and has been helpful to you. Click the share button with somebody that you know needs this today, and happy BOGOing. We'll see you guys next week with another new one. Bye-bye, everybody.